Yeah, okay. Hello everyone. Now I want to continue again to practice speaking and reading in English. And now is day 63 and the topic for today is the deadline changed everything. Good morning Olivia. Olivia, morning, You look busy. I am. Is everything okay? Not exactly. What happened? The client called this morning. Oh, they moved the deadline to next week. No, tomorrow. No, don't tell me 2 days earlier. Seriously? Yeah, it's seriously. Can they do that? Sometimes. What are we going to do? We're having a planning meeting in 10 minutes. Are we going to work overtime? Maybe. Should I prepare for a long night? Let's not assume that yet. 10 minutes later. Thanks everyone. Blah blah blah. The client needs the release earlier than expected. We understand. Oh, sorry. 10 minutes later, and then the project manager say, "Thanks everyone. The client needs the release earlier than expected." Olivia, we understand. Project manager, I'd like to hear your ideas. Developer one, we could work late every night. Developer two, that might help. Designer, but everyone is already busy. QA engineer, less testing would be risky. Manager, good point. And then back to, oh no, it's continue and can I ask something? Manager, of course. Do we have to finish every feature? What do you think? I'm not sure. Olivia, that's actually a good question. PM, not every feature has the same priority. Really? PM, let's look at the list. PM, feature A, required. Feature B, required. Feature C, nice to have. Feature D, also nice to have. So, go ahead. Maybe you don't need to release everything. Exactly. I just removing feature mean failure. Not always, really. What's more important? Shipping one time with the right feature? Not every feature, exactly. And what about the reporting dashboard? Can it wait until version 1.1? Yes, that gives us another full day for testing. And we can polish the main workflow. Perfect. Can I ask another question? Sure. Why not simply work faster? Can you think of a reason we make more mistakes? Exactly. Then QA has more bugs to test, right? Which actually slows us down. You're getting it. I used to think deadline only created stress. Sometimes they do. But today, yeah, the deadline forced us to decide what's truly important. That's one of their purpose. Before we finish, does anyone have concern? I like I'd like at least one full day for testing. I agree. Me too. Then we didn't remove testing. No, we removed less important feature instead. Exactly. Can I tell you something? Always. This meeting surprised me. Why? Nobody said what? Just work harder because that's rarely the best solution. Instead everyone asks questions. Question about priorities. Yes. Question about risk. Exactly. Question about value. That's how teams make decisions. Can I ask one last question? Of course. Do you stay calm during situation like this? I remember one thing. What's that? Pressure doesn't create priorities. No? Yeah, pressure reveals them. I like that. When time is limited, yeah, it is so far what really matter. And what can wait? Silly. Today I learned something. Tell me, meeting a deadline isn't only about working faster. Go on. It's about making smarter decisions. Exactly. Finishing everything isn't always success, right? Finishing the right thing is. Now you're thinking like a PM. One priority at a time. Yeah, one priority at a time. One decision at a time. Yeah, one decision at a time. One release at a time. Of course, one release at a time. And one successful delivery at a time. Yeah, one successful delivery at a time. And thank you. And for in this 63 lesson today is learning lesson important about scope management. And if the deadline is faster than expected, many people may be thinking we have to we must to overwork, we must to work fast. And usually is question again, what are we sold to have done first? This is the concept about prioritization, because the feature must be done with the quality is good. And my favorite for today is pressure doesn't create priorities, pressure reveals them. Okay, thank you for today and see you in next time.